Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
It's not your vlog, it's mine. Punta nga pala kami ngayon sa GT Mall. Bibili kami ng share tea sa Macau. Right. Isama mo na lang yung close-up na Colgate.
Bibili ako ng toothpaste. Bibili ako ng close-up na Colgate. Sa Family Fantastic, nag-imaruman nang hindi inaasahan. Tsura ni Papa mo daw.
Okay, so we're going to GT Mall. Bibili kami ng Ethernet cable.
Ethernet.
Ethernet.
Ethernet. Kaplete lang.
Yung Coco Martin, is that you? So I'll see you guys later. Ano naman? Cheddar?
Cheddar.
Bibili daw kami popcorn, cheddar, flavor.
Kaan kami potato wedge.
Potato wings. Potato wings. Cheddar. It's cheddar. It's not cheddar. Let's go. May category 6 ka mga Ethernet cable. Sa charger. So is this how you do vlog, chicken? Hello. Dito mama ako ron.
Libre mo. I want Macau. Tea. What tea? Tea.
Macau. Oh, baby.
And pizza.
Pizza. Wow. Ibe na ibe. Feel mo kyan? Sok-sok sinaya ka dad.
Doesn't fit me anymore.
Because you're fat.
It's fine.
Tawan na ka 160 na balaylan ko. Pila ka bilog baklon mo? Isa lang? Na lang.
Ay, gusto mo duwa.
Wow. Sino? Thank me, I'm your rich bro.
Thank you.
I'm rich. So we're here dito ngayon. Yeah, check it. Dito kami ngayon sa 1688. Finding Ethernet and finding charger. Oh, binibigyan na nila guys ko. So where are we eating?
I want pizza.
Pizza? Where?
And a Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Duk, kumaka mo dyan.
Wow. Oh. Meron na gimana? Ethernet cable. 3. Don't touch. So we're all good. Nabilin na yung dapat bilhin. So where next?
We're going to Robinson's Ila.
Robinson's Ila. Ano. Alright. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. easy go, easy go. Basta last vlog na vlog. Next na nga vlog sa Heaven. Bro, smile na. Robinson. Robinson. Bro, smile na. So dito na kami ngayon sa Robinson. Main.
Robinson Star Trek.
Ha? Ano?
Wala.
So naghahanap kami ngayon kung saan kami kakain.
No, we're going to find
A shoes? What? We're going to find a shoes. A shoes. Take out. Why take out the libino? Cooperate and be recorded. Look at those fat legs. Nike. Okay, cancel kasi may social distancing sa loob ng Nike. So maghanap na lang kami ng shirty sa Macau. It's the height. Sige.
Oh, 89. The box.
Ha? Storage box. I could use a couple of days. Yeah, like you. It's too small.
Come on, Mama.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Where are we going? Shirty. Uy. Keep right. Shirty. Ay, Shirty. Di, libot. Shirty. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Oh, we can do it. Okay, so Robinson actually gives me a lot or nostalgic moments. Check in. What? I actually had a lot of memories here. Memories bring back memories, bring back
At
you.
KFC,
Share tea. What? Share tea. So we finally have wrong spelling. Shinaya. It's up because I'm a good bro. Going to give you. John. I'm taking this because I have duty later. May bank. Okay guys, so we're actually leaving early because everyone's in a hurry. Bro.
Mami, check ko lang kung nakikita ko na.
Day job.
Ang forward, please.
Sige lang, nahalang nga na.
Okay, since umuulan, uwi kami ng maaga. Sana all may bagong shorts. Weird. Okay, so we're finally going home. Umulan. Kaya, maagang umuwi. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Para sa ka na, inalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Sa tao. I just wanna tell you I am